said you want more. Oh, good. Yeah. Tara, 5 last bites, okay? Tara. Kaya Kara, I have a question. Kara, I have a question. Kara, I have a question. Why did you say, Ate, that you eat cakes? You did. Kara. Kara. Sugar. Open your mouth. Kara. Eating cake. Telling lies. Open your mouth. Face it now. You need 2 bites. No. Vitamin first.
Strawberry and kiwi.
Okay, that's enough. Bye, guys. I cannot eat this a lot because because my mom said I'm hungry. Okay, bye. Kara, say bye-bye. Kara, kiss them.
Dr. Mommy, the monkeys are jumping.
No, like this. See na kami. Bye-bye.